Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Guys, I really like this paper. I really do. So today I'm going to attempt to make a card with you guys. I don't remember her name, but where she was using her laminating sheets with glitter, and she was laminating the glitter and using those for windows. Well, I have this beautiful fall glitter that my best friend sent me last year. And the card size is going to be, let me look at my notes because I drew up a whole plan and everything last night. The card is 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall. So all I did was cut a 8 by 6 piece of cardstock, and this is just craft paper. So 8 by 6, and I just scored it down the middle and folded it. So this is my card base, guys. This is a tutorial for ASC Craft Supplies, and I am going to try, guys, I always say I'm not a card maker, so let's see how this goes, because not only am I using the laminated glitter, I'm gonna try to make it a window card. So what I did, I don't know how, I'm not sure how it's made, but I went ahead and cut out the front of my card right here. So my plan was to put the card down this way, and then this is going to be my frame for the front of the card, like this. And then I am going to cut a window out that is going to be this size, okay? I know that's a lot. That's a lot for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this together, and I'm just gonna take my blade and cut this out. Hopefully it's gonna turn out good. Guys, you know, sometimes I try stuff that I'm like, I have no business trying, but I am going to give it a try. I just don't want this to move. I'm gonna glue I need to cut around this card. I really should glue it down, but I don't, you know, I want to use the piece that comes off of the rose gold paper. Okay, so I'm going to just say that right there I am safe. And I am going to cut. This is the sharpest blade I have. It's a window card, so we will be able to see inside. If things go right, we will be able to see inside the card from the outside. I know you guys know what a window card is, but you know me. Okay, so if I go over it gently and not too hard, I may be able to get this straight. Hopefully I am gonna go through all the layers. Yay, guys, I think I got it. I mean, I could have glued this down first, but I didn't know how things were gonna go, so there we go. Okay, so that's how this is gonna go. Now, for the window, I have laminated some of that glitter, and this is going to go right here. Okay, so I think I am going to put this layer down first, right there, and then this one, and then this window, I think. Yeah, I think so. So let me glue this down. Well, I don't have to ink the inside. Okay, so let me glue this down. All right, I have my adhesive on here. So let me bring it closer to me so I can see what I'm doing here, and it goes down straight. I'm gonna open this up and bring it closer to me this way. All right, guys, let's hope. Yeah, all right, there we go. That is working out all right, guys. All right, there's that. Now let me get some double-sided, some red line tape to tape this down, and I think I wanted it this way. Let me grab the sentiment or the picture from the back. This is going to go on the inside, and this is a cut apart from the paper collection, and I didn't know where I was going to put my sentiment, so I took my gel pen and just wrote "Hello Fall" on there. I just wrote that in because I wanted, you know, a fall themed card. So this one is going to go on the inside. Isn't that cute? Yeah, we'll do it that way. Okay, so let me get my tape. I'm going to put tape on the outside that way, and glue. Okay, so I thought I had 1/8 inch red line tape, and I don't, so we're gonna have to use a combination of glue and tape. This is 1/8 inch tape, and it's tear tape, so I don't feel like it's really super strong. All right, guys, I have my tape on there. So I need to remove the tape, add some glue, and then put down the laminated sheet of plastic. Oh my gosh. Guys, my nails are going through something, so I don't know what they're going through, but they need to hurry up and get over it because they're all broken down to the nub. It's getting on my nerve. Okay, so let me put a little bit of glue all the way around. Now let me put down my acetate, my laminated sheet. Ah, that's cute. Okay, now I need to put this on there. Strip of tape around the sheet, plastic. Now I will put glue. Now that my strip of double-sided tape is down, I am going to put glue on my frame. All right, I have my glue around my frame. I am going to put this down, hopefully straight. Oh, it's looking nice, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is looking so cute. All right, now I have to figure out, so this is all I'm doing for the outside as far as paper goes. I still have some, you know, I have to embellish it, but the inside, I wasn't sure how. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut a base piece for this. And it needs to be, so this would go right here, and then this would go on top. I feel like this needs a mat. Okay guys, I kind of felt like the inside needed an additional something. So what I did was I cut a matting layer for the bottom. This is where the top is going to go, and then a blank space for, you know, sentiment or signature. And this is what the outside is going to look like. So I am going to glue all this down. First of all, I'm going to glue this. Next, I am going to glue this down. Try to measure that a little bit. Now I will glue the entire thing down and burnish that. Pretty. Have my glue on there. Let me glue this down. Well, I really like that. Oh, I really like that. Now comes the fun part. I get to embellish the front. Now, it is for me, this is a flat card, so I don't want to over embellish or make it really bulky, because I'm going to make an envelope to match the card. So I did cut out some I was going to cut out some of the ephemera pieces on the back of the front cover of the paper pad, but it was they're too big, so I used the cut aparts and I cut out. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to put this guy right here, but I think I'm going to put you know, a little dimension on it, so I'm going to cut out some foam just to pop it up a little bit, not too much. All right, guys, there's that. Now, I wanted something really to match the leaves, and I didn't have anything but these leaves that my BFF sent me. These are the, you know, the fall leaves. So I thought, man, well, that's way too big now, isn't it? But I do have some leaf dies. So I took one of those leaves and I put my die on it and I cut them out to match the leaves that are right there. Yeah, the die did a good job. I didn't think they were gonna come out this good, but they did. So this is my pop of color. So now I need to figure out where I'm gonna put these, if at all. Okay, so I think it's gonna go this way. guys, I am thinking it needs another little touch of something. So I have this pearl sticker thing. What is it called? It's just called self-adhesive pearls. So I am hoping I am not going to mess this up. For goodness sakes. Alright guys, I put a little self-adhesive pearls on there. These little swirls of pearls. That is my card. Oh my gosh guys, I love how it turned out. I thought I was gonna have to cover this, but it looks just fine. There we go guys. Oh my gosh, I need to make an envelope for that. All right guys, I made an envelope, and all I did was made the envelope to size, and I went around the edges with my gold marker pen or gold paint pen, and I just cut a couple of pumpkins there to match the card, and it's got adhesive, so it's ready to mail. You know what guys, what I have not done is tried it out to make sure that it fits in here. Oh yeah, it does. Perfect. Oh my gosh guys, I really did enjoy making this card. It was actually fun, and I know card makers out there are probably, you know, cringing at my card making skills, but I rather enjoyed that, guys. Look at that. It turned out so adorable. It's got the little falling leaves on the front, and then you open it up and it's got that beautiful Hello Fall ephemera piece that I cut out, and a little space for a message. And it just, I really did enjoy that. I think I like this technique on the glitter and the laminating sheets, and I like that it's not totally flat. I put a little dimension in there, so yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed making this card. Guys, give that technique a try. It is so much fun. Let me get you, there you go. And I really enjoyed that. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. I appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to leave that thumbs up. I sincerely appreciate it. And we will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot for watching.